So just like the covered entities are directly responsible to the US government, US Health Department, same way we covered entities are also directly or indirectly we are responsible. Imagine you are working as a consultant for a company. So do you think that you can follow all these HIPAA policies? Who is responsible? Is it the company or you who is responsible? Everything should be like pretty forward, plain in writing. What are the measures that you have to follow as a HIPAA covered entity? Because we are also directly responsible to the covered entity and indirectly responsible to the US government. So you should understand, like, every healthcare professional who is involved in the business of healthcare is accountable to the US government in maintaining and following the HIPAA. So that is why please ensure, like, whomever you are going to give as a subcontractor or as a vendor, you would have to make them sign, and you should have these adequate measures in place, and if they don't follow it, they are legally bound to do it and the laws and rules can take effect.